So you need to design the flows, and you have to work with all the stakeholders in there. So what is the stakeholders? Business side, technology side, and all the other stakeholders in terms of the tooling and everybody around. So all this have to be connected by you. You have to design a flow. You have to not to design a set of features. You have to design all the prompts which go into agent workflow. Prompt meaning, like an LLM prompt. So then you have to lead the cross-functional teams, including engineers, data scientists, and business stakeholders. Create a system which collects all these people into one flow. It is like you have to imagine that some person is there who's going to create the handshake and connect everybody together, and it is going to be taking some decision on its own based on whatever input you are providing. Right? Some leeway you have to give the system. For example, you have the system around ticketing and hotel booking we designed a few minutes ago, right? In that, the systems has to know what is the intelligence you have to build in. For example, the ticket booking is very urgent and the approver is not available, but the decision in the prompt has been designed in such a way that if it is marked urgent, then you have to book it without human approval, the design. So like kind of prompting you have to design, and it may so happen that the person uh, prompts that no matter what happens, don't book it without my intervention. And then you have to just wait. The agent will just wait for the prompt, otherwise it will not. Right? So if you prompt it that you take a decision around something, then it has to use its own intelligence. How will it use the intelligence? It has to make a persona of the person based on past history or based on a persona you create for the person. So now for whom am I booking a ticket? I'm booking for CEO. Okay. So based on past history, he has stayed in hotel X, Y, and Z. Okay, now I'm getting hotel X. That means that is good. No problem. He has stayed there. What are the reviews he made about that? Because the agent has recorded also the reviews. It has access to the data. Okay, the reviews are positive. For hotel Y, it is not so positive. That means I will choose hotel X. That reasoning it has. Okay, and the persona is of a CEO. That means for a CEO, then they are having a certain preferences as per their persona. So that is all there. Now, if there is no history also, history is there, that is good to make a decision. If there is no history also, then you say, okay, these are the CEO class hotels and they are in this area, because it will now try to reason, okay, this areas in this hotel are good, like that. So all this reasoning and this prompts have to be designed by the product manager. That reasoning and that thinking has to be done. So then that agent can be designed based on that thinking, right? The developer cannot do all that thinking. The product manager has to do that thing. The developer will just connect the dots and make the agent. The critical thinking has to be done by the product manager.